All right, y'all, we got a lot of the clay done. You can see I brought the old excavator back over. My heavy equipment operator, well, he's at home with his mama. So anyway, I had to get this and had to dig out this trench because when my equipment operator yesterday hit this pipe, man, he buggered it up pretty good. So you can see right here, I got about well, you can't really tell, but I took about he took out a 4-foot chunk of this pipe. So nobody really knows what it is, and nobody knows where it's going. And I got nothing out of one side, and I got a pretty steady drip out of the other side. So I kind of think that's just groundwater coming out the other side, and if it is, I'm just going to drop it in my 4-inch pipe going straight by, and I'm going to shit can this one, but I don't know. So the way you find this out, every once in a while, man, you got to get all high-techy. And you can see over here, kind of right there, we busted out the old sewer inspection camera, and you can see that right there. So look at that, man. You can see right there. Yep, that's the old sewer inspection camera. So hey, here's a pro tip: make sure you always have your gloves on when you're working with this thing, because it's probably not dirt. I'll let you know how we find out.